XRP, let's analyze this bad boy here. I've got this beautiful 200 period smooth moving average over here. So we are in a type of an uptrend right now, but in recent days you can see a little bit drop over here, little bit flattening of the line. What does this mean? As you can see, since this period, a lot of action happening around 200 period smooth moving average. Tried to get out here, failed, went back down below, then tried again, failed, back, tried again, failed, and now we are again over here. So it seems like the same thing is happening. Maybe we'll go a bit above right now, we'll try to get out of it and then maybe go back down. At the bottom I've got this RSI over here. Now let me show you an interesting thing about this RSI. You see this level around here, 30 to 35 RSI, this level over here, whenever it touches this level it goes up. Look at this over here, went to this point, from here to here, same at this point, from here till here. So this is what is happening, and we touched this level again, so probably from here till again this level. This is what's looking like at the moment. Now let me add some support and resistance lines on top of this chart. I have put these 5 lines over here. Why? I like to put 2 below the price and 2 above the price over here. This is what I'm doing. Now it makes the picture even more clear what is happening. You can see this is a big resistance, again resistance, so getting rejected from this level, and this is what I think will happen again. We're going to touch this level of 0.86 and then come back down over here. This is not the only thing. Let me put a price channel here and then you will see what is happening. So you can see how beautifully it's trying to follow this channel. Support here, big support here, and then again support here going up, but then this is resistance, this area resistance. So we're trying to follow this channel. Let me zoom in a bit. Now you can see it's resistance over here, and then you've got the resistance line and the upper end of the price channels, 2 things acting as a resistance. That's why we came down here, and then 2 things acting as a support, the price channel in blue and the support line in yellow. So that's why you can see big uptrend again coming up to this level. Now if I zoom in further, you can see these 2 wicks over here near the 200 period smooth moving average getting rejected. So I think something very similar is about to happen. We'll try to test this 200 period smooth moving average. We'll try to go in this range above 0.86, or we'll touch 0.86 and come back down towards this channel. So in my opinion, I think it's best to wait right now. I don't like to take trades in the middle of the channel. I'll let it go up here and then come down, or maybe it will get rejected from here and then come down here. So basically we can start buying in the range of 0.69, 0.7. This is from where you can start buying. Don't rush yourself. If you're in the middle of channel, no problem, just sit there, wait, don't put your money at risk. Or what you can do is that wait for this to reach this area and then you can short it, and then you can make some money over here if it goes down. So as you can see, very simple analysis over here. Just support and resistance line, price channel, RSI, and smooth moving average. Just these 3 or 4 things is all that is needed to analyze XRP. And I hope you guys like this. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to analyze anything else. Thank you and take care.